So hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. I want to show you the results of the beef jerky. It is now 5:23 and I just took it out at about 5 o'clock. And here are the results of all of the beef jerky that I made this morning that you guys saw me put into the dehydrator. We have all of this. This is just, wow, made a lot. So I put these aside. These are a little bit thicker and they are so good. I like the thicker ones a little bit better, but these are just as amazing. They taste amazing. Look at all that. So I'm going to start bagging this up and putting it in my food saver bags. And we're going to enjoy these and give samples out to some friends so they can enjoy them too. So easy. It took about 6 hours. Right on the money. I kept checking it in the dehydrator to make sure that they weren't overdone. And they look beautiful. They taste amazing. So next time we do this, we're going to add a little bit of pepper to it, a little bit of spice. These are just basic teriyaki sauce that my husband made. And they're so good. But that's what we are going to do. And I just wanted to come along and show you guys the results. They are amazing. So, and I have my beets going for pickled beets, and I've got carrots going, but in a lot of pain. So haven't got to that yet, so that's going to happen tomorrow. So watch for videos tomorrow. I didn't do my live today because of that too, so hang in there, guys, and bear with me. I will see you guys soon. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit that like button, please. And as always, have a great day.